Righto, g'day. Hope you're well. One moment. Alright, so welcome to our FTX perpetual scan. This guy who looks rough as guts, haven't had a haircut for a while, a bit shabby, just had a little nap. I've been dealing with some back pain. I feel good now, but it's been knocking me around a bit. Anyway, hello. Oh, from Istanbul. Wow, that's a bloody long way. Thank you, Fassi. Hello, AA, Sally, Jeff, Jack, Fabian. Nice. All right, first time. Well done. Welcome. I'll tell you what. Pigeon moves. Why am I doing that? Because I've got everything that a trading man could want in life. Aside from a sore back, because I don't want that. Anyway, I'm still probably a little bit high on this medication they've got me on, so if I get a bit weird, you probably know that I'm fine because I'm usually pretty weird. This is brought to you by FTX. FTX are who I use, who we recommend you use as well because they're bloody good. They keep on adding more more options for us to trade. Liquidity is good, orders are great, you can get 10% off your trading fees below, so go ahead and open that bloody account up and get yourself started. And if you're somebody sitting there going, oh, but Craig, I don't know how to go long or how to go short, or I don't know how to manage my risk, hey, don't worry. We have that covered. Also in the description below. Now, what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, if you're not trading yet, then heaven help you. Because it's great being an investor, but it's way better being an investor and a trader, let me tell you. Because that's what my account's telling me, and that's what my 16 years trading is telling me, minus the first 4 years, which was just pouring money down the proverbial drain. If you want your free course, if you want to go, not now, but after, to get a whole bunch of stuff for free, then go to tradercobb.com and fill your boots. Look at the top 10, you little ripper. Daily. Higher low, higher high. Now, we spoke about this last week, didn't we? All right. Yes, we spoke about this last week, and what did we speak of, I hear you ask, darlings? Well, we've spoken about many things, because I speak about a lot of things. Things to do with markets, often with you. Have a look at this. Bullish candle on that 4-day. I spoke of that. Remember how I was like, this is so bullish, I'm so bullish, la, 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 la. 4 day was bullish. Check out the 2-day. Bullish. Hey, you little ripper. G'day Addison, Mr. Johnson, Jeffrey, Marissa, and the rest of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the other buttons, and comment, and share it with your buddies. Share it with your buddies. So there you go. That's me done for that. Okay, so 2-day looked good too. Then we started to pull back, and I was like, what? Then I was like, it'd be nice to see a bullish candle. And then, hey, presto, bullish candle. And then I said, it'd be nice to see a higher high. Hey presto, we've got a higher high to go with that higher low. Full trend reset. Like here, higher low, Elon Musk, and a continuation. I can see there being something quite similar coming at the moment. If I fall asleep during this, don't wake me. For those of you who just joined, I'm on some medication for my back pain, so I'm a little bit more than normal. Okay, so the daily trend's there, looking sweet. Look at this weekly. Does look good. And yeah, the 4-hour really sort of kicked it hard today. Higher low, higher high. Talking about this level through here. It wasn't a perfect level, but I wanted to see this broken. Hey presto, we saw that quite early. Yes. And then I wanted to see this broken, and we saw that too. Endone. Oh, if it was Endone. Oh, I wish it was. I mean, what's Endone? It's really, really a great trend here. No, not endone, just anti-inflammatories and Panadine Forte, or Fort. Depends if you're posh or not. But look, the trend's A-okay. It's ripping. It's looking lovely. So I'll pull back into this cradle zone is what I'm after. What about the two? What about the two? The two's not really killing it for me. Low to high. 1 hour. No. Let's go to the 15. Ooh. Look, I'm going to keep it in the list because it always goes in the list. Blue, you're my boy. All right, let's keep going. So yeah, look, bottom line on Bitcoin, on a serious note, is that it looks really, really strong. It looks really strong. The 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, the 4 day, the 2 day, everything is kind of like, yep, you beauty, we're looking good. So now's the time where we need to focus, which is quite ironic because I can't focus. No, I can. I need to have a cold shower. Yeah, so need to focus. Really nice looking trend. The top 10 sort of following along quite well. The Bitcoin's dominance is growing a little bit more. I'll show that to you just here. Look, boom, 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 boom. It's sort of crab walking along that support back from here, but it's popped a little bit more today with Bitcoin taking a little bit more dominance away from the others. All right, so let's go now through our perp list from top towards the bottom. Ethereum, love this chart, love it. Led Bitcoin out, as a matter of fact, and what I mean by that is that we had the higher low on the daily before. We had it on BTC. The 2 day, again, talked to that bullish candle. It was the 4 day I liked the most. There it is, and look at that, you little beauty, 20% already in today's only Friday, Tuesday. So good start to the week there from our little friend ETH. Jumping in here now, let's look at these time frames. High, low, high, 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 low, high, 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 pop, 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 pop. Pull back into that cradle. Very simple yet effective. And the 2 hour. Yeah, look, that's great too. Let me just, for those that are in the know, let's see. Let us see what we can see. We can see nothing, so who cares? We'll wait for the cradle. Pull back into the 2 or the 4. I'm good with either of those. Possibly even the 8 here. Yeah, why not? But I the 2 and the 4 would be better because I'd like to see us continue chip and chase. Really nice looking chart there. Ave, what do you got for me? High low on the daily. Yep, spewing. I mean, not spewing, the other one. Stoked. Yeah, I like that too. Only on the 2. I pull back into this region here, 420. Looking good. Keep it nice and simple, copy. 4 hour trends there. Broke resistance. Happy. Daily trends there. Beauty. Our Cardano, no, sideways. Algorand, not enough. Want to extend a bit further. No, thank you. Alpha Finance Perpetual Futures. Alt perp, bust above there, and we're looking good. Get that daily trend back in flow. Get that 4 hour out of all the potential resistance points. This one wants to be around $1. So let's go past it. Oh, and by the way, anyone who's on the scan that I did this morning with my members in live trading floor, we did talk of this, and you would have had 1-to-1. I'm long Tron, I'm long BAT. I've got 1-to-1 on both from Saturday. Patience, Nelly, patience. Adam, no. AVAX, no. Balancer, look at that. Daily candle, Bushka, up 39%. Well. What do we have here? Kind of a pretty solid run with not too much in the way of a pullback. Ooh. All right. For those of you in the know, when I say that, by the way, it's no secret code, or is it? Uh, um, no, it's just if you know what a booster is. And again, no booster. But I do like the look of that in 30. It's got to go on the list. Got to wait and see. Well, maybe the 1 hour as well. Possibly. Got to come back in a bit further, but it is going on the list for that reason. Looking quite good. Here's my little puppy dog basic attention token from Saturday. Took this cradle here on the 8. Badum badum. Hit me 1-1, mate. Move my stop to there. Happy days. Good. Profit locked in. That's what I'm after. Bitcoin Cash, got to get that uptrend on the daily. Binance, ooh. Nah, it's got to get that, got to kick on, got to get up through the high of this candle, got to get that uptrend moving. BSV, nah. Bitmax sideways, Chiles just keeps on cracking the whip. We'll be at Litecoin in a minute. Oh, are we? Will we? Yes, we will. Yeah, simmer down. Chile's just taking off. Nothing to work with, though. Big moves, though. Very big moves. Nothing on compound down. Kareem. Weekly. Nah. Not quite what I'm after there. Not the bullish candle. Nah, leaving that in those time frames, too. Ooh, so you can kind of see the methods that I teach, just to sort of double back a sec. I'm looking at those 2 days, 4 days, and weeklies. We need to know what we're doing, because those higher time frames are just as effective as the lowers. It just takes longer for the trade to happen, which suits a lot of people. I love my swing trades. 2 trades on Saturday. Today is Tuesday. 4 days I've been in those trades, and today I got my target on both of them. First target, that is. So, sitting back and doing nothing after just taking a good trade, I love that, because it's easy to do. You put it on and you go, all right, sweet as. I'm going to go and water the plants. And off you go. You go and water the plants, make the garden grow, and you come back and you harvest your cash. Oh, that ended up going full circle, didn't it? DeFi, I want to see it push on a bit further. It's not got that trend I'm after. The daily is looking pretty sexy, I've got to say. It does look set for a bit of a up, but I want to see it on the 4 extend itself a little bit more. Doge, yeah, it's not really interesting to me. Dot, nothing there. Sideways, roar of the dragon. Yeah, cracking trend, isn't it? 4 hour looks gracious and great. The 2 hour also looks good. Give me back into here and I'll take either one of those. And because I have, that was on my watch list this morning. That's why it was red. What's that little thing? Because I've got my target of Uno and a stop moved on BAT and my target of Uno on Tron, I'm now open to take on more risk because I don't have any risk on the table, you see. Risk management. Cheers to that. Geez, I have drank some water over the last couple of days. Anything here? Ethereum Classic. No, again, want that cyclicity to come back. Same with Exchange, but Filecoin. No. The Pink Bird. Pink birdie. Pink bird. Bird. Nah, again, I want to see it kick on a bit further. Like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. FTT cracking on, but not the cyclicity I'm really after. The Holy Trinity, not really much going on, although starting to look a little bit more attractive. It's got more work to do, Horby. Kyber, not the cyclicity I'm after. Not interested there either. Ooh. Link, daily. Hi, hello, hi, 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 hello, hi, hi. We've got it. It's hot in here. Hi, hello, hi, hi, ay, 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 ay. Just trying to see if there's anything of support there or anything that would stop me from, if there's anything that would stop me from taking a trade if it was to set up is what I'm looking for here. I just can't really see anything. That bouncing ball cyclicity on the 4 looks pretty tasty. Yeah, it backs it up a bit too, so check in the old Link doggy dog. Had a good move yesterday too, didn't it? 10, 11%. Litecoin, brother. Ooh, hang on. A little higher, low, higher, high. Although only just. It's there. Hum. Look, at this stage, I'll pop it in there. I might slim it out later, depending on how much we've got in there. But you know what? There is resistance there. There is a trend, and there is an uptrend on the daily. So yeah, ticks a lot of boxes for me. Making no meta, no. Okay, B. No. OMG's got to kick on a bit further there. Get that cyclicity back. Daily trend is there. Gold, who really cares? Priv Perp, one of the better ones I saw on the 2 or the 4. What was it? I think both. Yes, it fires. It's just tickling the highs right now. It's not gone bananas. Gonna wait for it to do so. Sorry, involuntary yawn. Is that right? No. Rune, got to break higher. Shit perp. Was on the list this morning because we do have a trend. Look at this 2 hour, by the way. Get me back into there, Jimmy, and I'll take you. It's got to get back in there though. Yeah, a bit of work to do. Not there yet. Again, come to me. Come into the cradle zone. Synthetics is a no. Solana 4, 2. No, I'll leave that until that trend kicks on. Sushi, no. It's pretty sweet on swipe this morning, but it didn't. Gotta go with the P word here. Pull back in enough. The 2 hour. Look, it was there. Some might have taken it. Did anyone take that, by the way? Did any of you take that candle, that trade? I'm not going nuts. My timer here says that I've been live for 2 minutes 28, but I know that's not true. Yeah, look, that one. Did anyone know? No one's answering, so no one took it. Okay, fair enough. Probably waiting for what I was, which was back into here, and for that reason, I'll take that little sucker. Oh, you did take it, Tez. Nice. So you got your 1-to-1 pretty quickly. Oh, it froze for a minute. Oh, okay, we're back though, right? All right. It's not me. It's the man in the computer. Okay, so we'll keep going. Theta. Extending its run further. Waiting for a pullback in, you know what I mean? Probably more aiming at 4 again here. I will throw that in the list. No, Tomo, mate, good effort the other day, but you haven't got a trend for me, so apologies. We're not doing nothing, no, nothing. Refresher. I took this long as well. At the same time, I took BAT. I've now got 1-to-1, and because of the way the market has been unfurling into a bullish scenario, I did move my stop loss to there. I want to be active in my trading in the next few days, or into maybe this evening if I go have a swim and sort of, you know, come good. G'day, Niels. Then, yeah, I'm looking for and forward to many a trade in this next run that makes me many a monies. So right now I have moved my stop. I have 1-to-1, and I won't be adding anything to it right now because it's got to push on a bit further for me. Yep. All right. Uni. Ooh. Did that give a little? Yeah, 1-to-1 there, brother. You got it too, I take it, Niels. No, there's nothing there for me on Uni Perp just yet. Oh, Uni Swap on the other hand has resistance right there, so leaving that. V chain with a V chain with a look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Not an exact level. We kept on pushing higher after my scan this morning. Here it is. Look, there is no booster level there, but I tell you what I do like. I do like it pulling back to this level. A small bullish candle in the cradle zone that ticks the cradle rules would be good. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me bring that to the list. All right, another nice one. Waves. Stella, no, nothing there. Monero, no real trend of the next RP that's worthy for me. Tezos. Beautiful. It looks very nice on the higher time frame. High, low, high, high. Yeah, looks great. Looks really good. Trading wise, looks good too. The only bummer about four risk-free trades, 2.5%, 2 at 1%. It's excellent, Niels. Niels is in our community, and I believe you're on live trading floor too, aren't you, mate? Big improvements. Just thought I'd make a very public announcement of your epicness of late. It's been noticed, and congratulations, mate. Well done. Hard work. Funny what happens when you put it in, huh? Teaseless right now. It's a bit frustrating a little bit because higher low, higher high, higher low. I wanted to kick on a bit further, but it's not done that yet. And as far as it goes on the 4, it's a little bit icky sticky up there. I'm not going to have it in the list just yet, but certainly if it does a bit more for me, I'll be keen. DeFi. Yen, no. Zcash, no. 1 inch, no. Got to push high. Got to get that train kicking. No. Oh, and we're back to the top. Well, hello. Okay, let's have a look at this list because it's a pretty solid one. Bitcoin, right. 2. No, it wasn't the 2. It was the 4. Keep going, please. You know, keep on going. But if we did get a pullback into here, I'd be open to a bullish candle in the cradle zone. Ethereum. Really got a wonderful looking trend there. Still the early part of that trend as far as I'm concerned because, you know, we've got the bigger picture behind us. Have a look what I mean. It's not come out that far. You know, we've still got plenty of road to higher highs in that trend. It's only just started. So let's wait and see what goes on there. But I will be taking my trades on Ethereum on the 2 if it pulls back in there tonight. From there we go to Aave. Aave pulling back onto that level of resistance that could act as support. I want to keep an eye on that because that could offer me an opportunity later as well. On to Bal, Balancer, 2 hour pull back into there. I could also throw in a 4 and say, oh, nah. I'm going to stick with the 2 for now. I think the 2 looks a little bit better. But what else we got here? Maybe it was a 30. There it is. Okay, I'm looking at those charts going, hang on. There's something not right there because I couldn't instantly see it. It was a 30 minute, sorry guys. That's where the trend has been sticking to the cradle. Cradle 1, cradle 2, cradle 3, and 4. Here's the 5th. Let's wait and see what we get. $50 on the ticker would be lovely. But let's wait and see. It's a 30 minute cradle that I'm waiting for on Bal. Dragon, we move back to the 2 in this case. As you can see, we have got the little higher lows coming in. We've just had our first run away. Like you can see, we have had higher high here, higher high here, and higher low, high ho, 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 ho. Waiting for the next one. That's what I want. That's what I'm waiting on. And that's, if I get it, well, I'll be taken. Link. Back to the 4. You know what? After seeing some of those great looking trends out there on some of those other charts, I don't think Link cuts the mustard here. I want to see it like it's still caught around those highs over here. I'm going to take that out now. I think that, you know, the Dragons, Bals, Aves, and Eves of the Earth currently look a lot better. 2. Yeah, mid cap's going to stay in there because a clean pullback into there with this higher low, higher high convergence could offer a great opportunity. Shit. He's on the 2. A long way to pull back, but it could happen quickly, so I'm just going to leave it in there. It doesn't hurt. 4 hour here on Theta. I pull back into this cradle zone. Again, quite a way off, but, you know, it's good to have in there. And V-Chain. It's looking very, very, very nice. I pull back into that cradle zone right there, and we could be hey ho, hey ho. So, guys, I am going to go and have a swim or a cold shower. I'll work out which one I'm going to do. A little bit round me today, a little bit, but I am on the mend, and I hope you are well. Hope I can get this back fixed properly and get back to my normal half-mad self. If you don't have your FTX account, make sure you use the link below. Get your 10% off your fees, as well as how to go long, go short, manage your risk. And please like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Go to tradercobb.com and get yourself on that course. Guys, we're in a super sweet spot right now. It's great. The market looks fantastic, and if you're just buying and hodling, that's one thing. That's fine. If you're not going to be a trader, that's fine. But you've got to know when to get out, how to scale it, how to manage your risk, and for that, there's a free course for that, and it's at tradercobb.com. Have a great day, and I shall speak to you again in the not too distant future. Thanks for your time, guys. Love ya.